So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to create GIFs in less than 5 clicks. Let's begin. Hey guys, welcome to my channel Technique. And in today's video, I'm going to tell you how to create GIFs better and faster than Photoshop. Before I start, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you are updated on my latest videos. Let's begin. So first, what you have to do is head on to Google. There you have to type in animated GIF generator. After that, you will see the first link directing to easegif.com. For your kind information, easegif is an animated GIF maker which is used by thousands and millions of YouTubers. After you come to easegif, you will see such a platform. You can choose the files you want to make an animated GIF. I am going to click on choose files. And these are my two files. I will select them both and click on open. As you can see, it shows that I have chosen two files. Now what I have to do is just click on upload and make a GIF. It will take some time to animate. It will even tell you how the image is sized. As you can see, both of these are not similarly sized. So I can click on resize and it will shrink it to that size. As you can see, these are the two files. It has resized the bigger file into a smaller file. You can change the delay time, loop count, etc. For making a GIF and downloading it, you have to just click on make a GIF. Before doing that, see if all the things are correct. My delay time is proper and now I click on make a GIF. As you can see, this is how it comes out. This is too fast and I don't want a very fast GIF, so I keep the delay time much more. As you can see, this slowed it down. There's many more options like crop, resize, rotate, optimize, effect, speed and etc. If you want, I will cover it in the next video, but it's not so important. The main important part after doing this is to click on save. And it gets downloaded over here. You have to open it. It is so easy and simple. As you saw, it became a GIF which keeps on continuing. That's why there was a loop count in the website. If you want it to only repeat for 5 to 10 times, then you can keep the number. I will keep it for 5 and click on make GIF. See, now it only repeats for 5 times. You can save it and open it to see how it repeats. As you can see, it stopped because we had given the loop count to only 5. That is the advantage of loop count. There are some awesome features in this website, but I won't cover it over here. It will be too much. It is worth checking out, but you won't get so many features. If you want to create complicated things, this won't work. Photoshop is the best thing you can try, but Photoshop is very expensive. There is a better and easier option. This has effects, but as you can see, there is not a lot of effects. There are some color presets, filters, and that's it. Photoshop is the ultimate location. If you want to spend money for only gifts, it is not worth it. For creating gifts, this is the best platform you can have. You won't be able to make complicated gifts, but anyway, it's good.
So guys,